Hello, we are Angel Jain and Insha Klerawala from class 9th B, Roopnagar Public School. Welcome to our social science presentation. Our topic is Festival of Assam.
Introduction. The colorful and rich culture of Assam are reflected in the different types of festivities and celebrations that takes place within its border. The festivals and fairs that are celebrated in the largest northeastern state are entertaining, engaging, vibrant and nothing less than a spectacular experience. The different tribes who call the Assam their home pay tribute to their culture, customs in their own unique and beautiful way. Whether or not you are traveling to Assam soon, this list would fulfill your heart with the desire to experience the vibrant, colorful and magnificent festivities of
Bihu Festival. The most significant and important of all the cultural and vibrant celebrations in Assam is the Bihu Festival. There are three major types of Bihu. First is Rongali Bihu, second is Kati Bihu, third is Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu is celebrated in April, marking the new harvest season coinciding with the new year with respect to the Hindu calendar. Second is Kati Bihu. In October is practiced to protect the crops and pray for a good harvest at the end of the season. Third is Bhogali Bihu, from the word bhog meaning food, is celebrated during the second week of January, marking the harvest season's end.
Majuli Festival. Adored by anyone who has been a part of this festival, the festival of Majuli is considered to be one of the most pleasing and beautiful festivals of Assam. River Lued becomes the host of the festival, with preparations of the customaries taking place at its bank. Traditional troops from different parts of the country also come down here to showcase their culture throughout the versatile talents they possess. Exhibitions are held to display the different forms of items made by artisans and experts from across Assam. The festival is a crowd puller that attracts locals and tourists alike to showcase the unique Assamese, tribal and neo-Vaishnav culture.
Dehing Patkai Festival. The joyful celebrations of Dehing Patkai adds charm to the already bewitching beauty of Assam. Held during the month of January in the district of Tinsukia, the festival is organized by the government of Assam itself. The state hosts a variety of cultural and adventure sports like kayaking, parasailing and angling. The festival has some excellent preparations for crafty products, delicious food items and cultural activities and performances to entertain the visitors. The government of Assam strives to create awareness about the alarming rate of decrease in forest cover as a part of Dehing Patkai Festival. Tea Festival. Ranked second worldwide for its production of teas, Assam celebrates the festival to glorify their authentic and tasteful tea production. The tea range is from white tea to black and green tea, along with the regular thin leaf tea and wide leaf tea. Exhibitions are planned and designed beautifully to show with pride the growth and cultivation of tea plants in the state. The festival that lasts for 3 days permits the visitors to taste the different varieties of tea leaves available. The tea festival is celebrated to promote tea production.
Karam Puja. A sacred festival for the tea-growing tribal communities of Assam, the Karam Puja is celebrated to propitiate the favor of Mother Nature. It is held on Bhadra Ekdashi, which is the 11th day of full moon in Hindu calendar of the month of Bhadra. They seek blessings from the Karam tree, which represents Karam Devta, to reward them with abundant harvest and to keep their families and society safe. After fasting, they go to jungle and perform Jhumar dance and sing songs. Their festival signifies the closeness of the people to their surroundings and their unbounded love for Mother Earth.
Baisakhu Festival. Celebrated by the Bodo Kacharis of Assam, the Baisakhu festival marks the beginning of the new year. Cows, which are considered sacred, are bathed and worshipped on the first day. The following day, the younger generation offer their respects to their elders and seek their blessings. The highlight of the festival is when the traditional Bagarumba dance is performed, in which everyone joins in the dance irrespective of age or gender. It is a time where they put their daily hard lives to the side to sing, dance and sit down with each other to share some food and stories.
Ambubachi Festival. Hosted in Kamakhya Devi Temple in Guwahati, the Ambubachi Mela is organized during the monsoon season every year. The legend behind this new unique fair states that goddess Kamakhya goes through her menstrual cycle for the first 3 days of the festivities. Goddess Kamakhya is cleaned with water and milk, which further follows different types of rituals performed as a part of their celebrations. After the grand ceremony, the temple doors welcome the devotees to come and worship Goddess Kamakhya for purity and prosperity. The unique themed festival is immensely enjoyed by the visitors with fairs.
Thank you.